So this is the plant cell and this is the animal cell, and I'm going to discuss about this. And the first part is this, that color brown below represents the cell wall. This is the rigid outmost layer of the plant cell. The second layer, this white, represents the cell membrane. This is a protective layer that surrounds every cell. And this represents the cytoplasm. It's a thick water-based solution in which the organelles are found. And this yellow represents the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA and the genetic material that directs all the activities of the cell. And this represents the nucleolus, which main function is ribosomal RNA synthesis and ribosome biogenesis. And these color blue dots that's scattered in the cytoplasm called the ribosomes. Ribosomes, these are the little round structures that produce proteins. They are found in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. This color yellow-green that surrounds the nucleus, this represents the endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Is a membrane system of folded sacs and panels. It helps move proteins within the cell as well as export them outside of the cell. And this is a Golgi apparatus. It is a stack of membrane-covered sacs that prepares proteins for export from the cell. And this represents the mitochondria. It converts the energy stored in food into energy-rich molecule that the cell can use. And this is chloroplast. Chloroplast, it contains a green pigment that traps sunlight and converts into a sugar by a process called photosynthesis. These circles color orange represents peroxisomes, or small membrane-enclosed cellular organelles containing oxidative enzymes that are involved in a variety of metabolic reactions. And this represents the vacuole. This is the large membrane-enclosed compartments that store toxic waste as well as useful products such as water. So how do I differ these two cells? Both cells are eukaryotic, so they contain membrane-bound organelles like the nucleus and mitochondria. However, plant cells and animal cells do not look exactly the same to have all of the same organelles, since they each have different needs. Like for example, plant cells contain chloroplast since they need to perform photosynthesis, but animal cells do not.